Welcome to an exploration of AI fundamentals, where we'll experiment with evolving technologies. Come on in as I fire up my computer resources. Hello. Building microcomputer projects is not new to me, but this robot kit provided more than a servo-driven mechanical assembly opportunity. It delivered a base from which to build Python skills, along with programming OpenCV and kinematic techniques using a Raspberry Pi 3B. I must first pay homage to YouTuber Blade Dreams and Freenove for providing awesome guide videos to help me tackle the detailed assembly. I would strongly advise watching those videos through once before tackling the build. There's quite a lot to know. So get your coffee ready and let's dig in. Organization and attention to detail are critical, while following the tutorial PDF provided. You should also check each of the servos to ensure that they function before assembling them into sets for each leg and the camera mount. You'll want to closely follow the connection process of the servos to the main controller to avoid having trouble with the final calibration process. Finally, you want to get proper batteries and a charger. Once you get this Hexapod running, Chapter 4 of the tutorial exposes the details of the modular software for you to interact with your projects. My next video will show how to add named bounding boxes to captured images by the Hexapod for recognition when it sees it again. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.